Hello everyone! This week we'll make 2 Christmas ornaments to decorate the tree, garlands, wreaths, or other decorations. They're easy to make and anyone can do it. These 2 projects are full of sparkle and color. We'll make them with recycled cardboard boxes, transforming them from simple to creative and fun. We'll use colors like white, red, blue, or any color you like. We'll also need scissors, a pencil, blue and silver glitter, a paintbrush, paper, tape, and glue. Let's brighten up this day by making these decorations. Oval Christmas Ball. Step 1. Transfer the template for the body of the oval Christmas ball. Step 2. Cut along the line. Step 3. Transfer the template for the top support of the oval Christmas ball. Step 4. Cut along the line. Step 5. Glue the top support of the sphere and let it dry. Step 6. Apply small drops of glue. Step 7. Sprinkle the glitter and let it dry. Step 8. Create the hook where we will attach the ribbon. I tried to drill a hole in the top support, but I couldn't. I suggest we make the hook out of cardboard. Remember to moisten it with a few drops of water before bending it. You can find the template for this project in the channel's posts. How lovely! Now, I invite you to make your own oval Christmas ball in your favorite color and create your own design. Now, let's make a red Christmas ball. Step 1. Transfer and cut out the template for the sphere body and the red sections. Step 2. Glue the red sections onto the sphere body. Step 3. Apply glitter. Step 4. Glue the sphere's top support and let it dry. Step 5. Create the hook where we'll attach the ribbon. I tried to drill a hole in the top support, but I couldn't. I suggest we make the hook out of cardboard. Remember to moisten it with a few drops of water before bending it. This is amazing! Look at all you can do with little pieces of cardboard you thought were trash. Now, try making your own sphere with the materials you have at home and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for creating with me. See you in the next video.